I done seen the struggle, I recall that. Could never take this shit for granted, cause this music where my heart at. City of the sin, play with the cards dealt. I had to defy limitations, I'ma get to it regardless.
Video looking at the Air Max 90 off-white, so I hit on the sneakers app. Now, I ain't never hit on anything worth like anything out the sneakers app. This is my first like real W. I got some regular like GR shoes out there, but nothing like this. No like limited Jordan 1s or off-whites or anything like that. So this is the box label right here. If you know about off-whites, you know like the whole theme of the box is like flipped inside out. You see this Nike swoosh right there. That's the box it came in. Alright, got the paper, Nike box, off-white paper. Alright, so this is the shoe. This is the Desert Ore colorway. It's like a tannish, brownish all over with like different materials throughout the shoe. That's like a mango, orange, peachish looking color. A blue tab right there. And you see they took off the original like sign it only. This only say like Nike Air Max, but they like blocked that out and put like this like piece of material over it. Then you got the writing that they got on all the off-whites on the inside of the shoe. Got this paper right here. See if I just get it. Focus in. Off-white logo right there. The 10. Part of the 10 collection. This is a size 9. That's this shoe. And it's the right shoe right here. It also comes with like an extra set of laces. It's like it's almost the color of the like the Nike sign, but a little bit brighter. But I'm most likely just gonna keep the brown laces in. I originally got these shoes before they even got here. I said I was gonna sell them. Like I wasn't gonna keep them because I don't wear Air Max 90s. But once I got them in hand and I seen a couple videos online, I actually like started liking them more. So I'm probably gonna keep these. Either way, I'm gonna hold on to them for a while and decide if I want to sell them or not. But like I said, I got these off the sneakers app. So I want to show you. I got these on the 7th. That's when these came out. And a week before, I hit on the infrared 6s that's coming out this week. I got these in the mail like last week. So I'm going to show you guys this one as well. So we got the off-white Air Max 90, part of the 10 collection. And this is the 2019 infrared 6s. You see, you got Nike Air on the back. I'm not gonna really go too much over it because you probably seen like 1,000 videos of this shoe. But like I said, I got these early when they dropped on the sneakers app, and you can tell like this is more like a more darker red than the ones that came out in 2014. I also got that pair, so I'm about to show y'all a quick comparison of those two. So like I said, this is the 2019 pair, and bam, it's the 2014 pair. You can tell these a little more azure because like I said, they 2014, but the bottom is not like piss yellow because I keep these in like Ziploc bags. You can tell it's only starting to yellow around like the edges, but pretty much still icy, especially when you look at it on the side. And you see they got the Jumpman on the back. Here's the other one. So like I said, that's the 2014 pair. This is the 2019 pair. These do look like way better. You can tell like this red, it's just like more red. This more for like pinkish color. Actually in camera, this looked like it's not as pink as it really is, but it really is. And this is more of a darker red. Still infrared, but a darker red. So like I said, I got these 2 weeks ago and they came in last week. These are coming out this Saturday on the 14th. And I got these last week on the 7th. Air Max 90s. Off-whites, Desert Ore, Jordan 6, infrared 6s, 2019 pair, 2014 pair. Like I said, it's just a quick video to show you guys, you know, the Jordan 6s and these off-whites right here.
Yeah, this and play with the cards dealt. I had to defy limitations, I'ma get to it regardless. They say a star is meant to shine through darkness. I overshine for the days I had it the darkest. The darkest. Ever gave your all and it's not enough. Diamond in the rough, time is ticking, nigga, make a move. Can't depend on luck, no, not where I'm from. I got problems, I've been on the run, but a nigga I ain't never running from. Remember being young, writing verses, knowing my time would come. Jotting in my composition, all the things that I envision, speaking it to existence. Acquired the right utensils, it's time to make a difference. Plotting on the game, I'm trying to shift it. Fuck the critics, I let you witness as I get it out. And God's children, I've been committed. The struggle I represented.